Wrestling knee pads are a foundational piece of protective gear that balance impact protection, mobility, and comfort. The right pads can reduce knee abrasions, manage stress during takedowns, and support joints during long practice sessions or tournaments. In this comparison, I evaluate 5 popular options across a price band from budget to premium.
List number 1. BodyProx Protective Knee Pads. The BodyProx 2-pack knee pads are built around a high-density EVA foam core with a breathable outer fabric blend, including polyester and spandex, and a pull-on closure for quick on-off. They emphasize a snug, non-slip fit and lightweight construction aimed at casual to intermediate use in outdoor sports and gym training. The ergonomic design and softer foam profile are intended to reduce bulk while maintaining decent impact absorption, with claims of improved blood circulation and warmth to prevent stiffness. In practice, these pads feel light and unobtrusive, making them suitable for athletes who need protection without sacrificing mobility. The non-slip grip assists during dynamic movement, and the 2 sizes, small-medium, aim to accommodate a broad range of leg circumferences. However, the absence of a reinforced patella shield or dual-density foam means peak impact protection is modest compared with purpose-built wrestling pads. They excel as everyday training pads or warm-up protection rather than high-impact competition use.
List number 2. BodyProx Protective Knee Pads. This entry repeats the same BodyProx model with identical specifications and price, reinforcing its role as a budget-friendly option. The emphasis remains on a pull-on, 2-pack design with EVA foam and breathable fabrics, highlighting comfort and grip. It serves as a baseline reference for evaluating how a lower-cost pad compares with mid-range and premium competitors in terms of fit, durability, and protection coverage. From a performance standpoint, the pads deliver reliable everyday protection, suitable for light to moderate contact contexts, drills, and practices. For wrestlers facing frequent mats collisions or takedowns, the lack of advanced stabilization features may be noticeable over long sessions. If funds are tight or the athlete prioritizes ease of use and comfort over peak protection, these pads are a compelling option.
List number 3. Adidas Men's Wrestling Reversible Knee Pad. Adidas markets this knee pad as a reversible, lightweight, protective layer with EVA foam and a pull-on closure. The white flag design emphasizes branding and visibility, potentially appealing to athletes who value aesthetics and recognizable gear. The EVA foam core is standard for many wrestling pads, offering a balance of cushioning and flexibility with a focus on breathability and mobility during rapid positional changes. Performance-wise, the Adidas pad is compact and unobtrusive, making it suitable for competition settings where freedom of movement and minimal bulk matter. Reversibility adds a small strategic edge in terms of style and team cohesion. However, it may not deliver the same level of edge protection or stabilizing features found in more feature-rich models. For wrestlers who prioritize brand reliability and a clean look, this pad offers confidence with a respectable protection profile.
List number 4. Ninka Professional Knee Brace for Pain Relief. Ninka positions this product as a medical-grade knee sleeve with patella gel pad and dual-side stabilizers, aiming at pain relief and joint support beyond basic protection. It's described as a Class II medical device designed to stabilize the kneecap, distribute pressure, and promote circulation. The version here emphasizes a snug, breathable air-knit fabric and anti-slip gel strips to minimize shifting during activity. The combination of patella pad and side springs targets athletes managing knee pain, ACL, MCL concerns, or post-injury rehabilitation, as well as high-intensity training. In use, the Ninka knee brace offers a more structured feel than standard pads, with a focus on joint stability and pain relief. The dual stabilizers and patella gel pad may provide noticeable support during squats, jumps, and quick pivots, while the breathable fabric helps manage sweat. The medical device framing suggests a longer wear period and potential compatibility with treatment regimens, yet it may be bulkier and warmer than typical knee pads, which could be a drawback in hot gym environments.
List number 5. Cliff Keen Impact Bubble Wrestling Knee Pad.
Cliff Keen's impact bubble pads are engineered with an anatomical bubble foam that concentrates impact protection around the knee joint, constrained within a durable outer shell and a pull-on design. The asymmetric foam geometry is intended to distribute force more efficiently during takedowns and scrambles, while maintaining a low-profile silhouette for wrestling gear. The brand has a long-standing reputation in wrestling, which adds confidence for athletes who value tradition, fit consistency, and replacement part availability. In performance terms, the bubble design can offer robust protection without excessive bulk, which is critical in grappling sports where knee contact is frequent. The pads are known to move with the leg rather than ride up, aiding in retention through a full match or practice. However, some users may prefer thicker padding depending on their weight class or injury history, and there is a trade-off between peak protection and leg mobility for those performing high-intensity dynamic maneuvers.